So I'm upgrading to this amp from this amp so you can really see the size difference that's going on. So before I go and install this thing, I'm going to show you the measurements. It's coming in at 17 inches wide, almost 10 inches there. Height on this, right under 2.5. The reason why I picked out this amp is because this 4-channel amp here and 2 of the channels can be used for subwoofers. It also came with this little dial here, as you can see, the subwoofer level. And that's the reason why I still wanted to power my 6x9 speakers and also my subs. But let's go on ahead, let's get it installed. So in order to get access to everything here, you have to take these screws off. I took both screws out, and now this just lifts up like that. This whole piece comes off. Now you have access to hook up your connections. I always encourage everybody to unhook your fuse. I unhooked mine completely. Last thing you want to do is electrocute yourself. Now let's go ahead. I'm gonna take these terminals off and hook up everything, make sure it cuts on. All right, we're all powered up. Positive, remote, negative. I did go on ahead and put the fuse back in and everything. This illuminates. This one doesn't light up, but there's the power light. So the amp starts up, everything's good. Now I'm gonna continue wiring up the amp. All right, this is the final product right here. I've got the amp positioned underneath here. There was just enough room for this amp to fit. Got all the wires tucked away. Look how clean this is. I have a WeatherTech liner. All I did was fold it in half. I didn't even bother cutting it. So just in case somebody does spill something in here, it won't go on the amp. Check this out though. Voila. Fits perfectly. Just goes to show you can install this amp in a 2011 Chevy Tahoe. Fits great right up underneath the seat. It bumps pretty good. I'd let you listen to it, but I'll get a copyright strike. And this is the final product in the trunk. So in the back, we have 2 Kenwood Exelion 10-inch subs. I think both of these are rated at about 400 RMS. They're great little subs. They're 10 inches. I also have Kenwood 6x9s here on both sides. And then up top, I have JL Audio tweeters. Overall, this build came out really good. It's very clean. Also, just in case you were wondering what the strap is, it's just a bungee strap. It helps keep the speakers. Check this out in case I do any wild driving. It's not going anywhere. And we have those anchored down here, so it hugs those 6x9s. But yeah, like, comment, subscribe. Hit that thumbs up. This was one heck of a build. I enjoyed every second of it. And if you want to get you any audio equipment, like the Planet Audio, definitely hit that link below. You'll be showing support to the channel. That's your boy Endless. Peace.